किताबों में नहीं होती, ये आपने याद दिलाया। राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज एवरीवन फॉर मिस शीजा। जमीन सोई है आसमान चुप है, जमीन सोई है आसमान चुप है, मगर तू जग से सिपाही वक्त तेरा रूप है। मेहनत का फल मिलता है सब्र के बाद, मेहनत का फल मिलता है सब्र के बाद। रख यकीन खुद पर, हर अंधेरा हो जाता है फना एक रोशनी के बाद। प्लीज cheer loudly for Miss Mubashira. Give a thunder clap for Miss Mubashira. Now the stage is over to you.
Once again, it is my humble request to all the audience, do not capture any kinds of videos and photos. आपको जो चीज़ें कैप्चर करनी है आप लाइव कैप्चर कीजिए, आप उसको एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए, अपने जनरेशन को, अपने घर के बच्चों को या फिर आपके घर के बड़ों को शेयर कीजिएगा वो बात, लेकिन वीडियोस प्लीज ना बनाएं, ये आपसे हमारी रिक्वेस्ट है।
Don't be disappeared. Don't be sad. Haven't you heard that after difficulties there is an ease? Well, start this initial while with the name of Allah, who says, if He comes to me and His friend, I comes to you and I'm linked. If He comes to me walking, I comes to you running. If you remember me, I remember you. If you don't remember me, I still remember you. Well, wish you all a very enchanting evening to Her existing honorable chief guest, guest of honor, prestigious visitor, and each co-well, and my honorable and respectable peers. Well, the star is gleaming in front of a glamorous eyes. Her name is Mubashira, daughter of Mr. Asad Ali and Mrs. Sarja Khatun. So, upon this element, I would like to give an attention to my jury panel. Please provide an issue that I can continue myself.
The topic for you is the age of machine on human land.
Well, the age of machine on human land. संघर्षों के साए में इतिहास हमारा पलता है, संघर्षों के साए में इतिहास हमारा पलता है, संघर्षों के साए में इतिहास हमारा पलता है। जिस ओर जवानी चलती है उस ओर जमाना चलता है। Well, ladies and gentlemen, today I am here to converse about the age of machine on human land. To speaking here within a speaker, it's just because of a machine. Today we make a chapati on iron plate, but right now, this is the time where we belong from Alpha generation, and we cook and chapati in a machine. This is the time where we use all the things, but with the help of machine. Everything is going on with the help of machine. I know, guys, the machine is very beneficial for everybody because in our daily routine we use a machine where we are just saying ourselves that really the machine which play a creation and most important role. And who make the machine is not someone others. You are the best creature of your own creation, and that's why you are the one who make a machine. The most beautiful creation in the world, that is human beings. The most powerful creation in the world, that is human being, in which the Islam says, Ashraful Makhlukat. In which the Islam says, Ashraful Makhlukat, and everybody are being supporters of that really we are in human beings where we can make a machine, where we can make anything. Like myself, I can make anything, and just because of my creativity, just because of your creativity, you can make a robot. You know, this is a time whenever we went in a restaurant, we got a servant as a robot. Where a person believed that a robot can never touch anyone, a robot can never hurt anyone, and that's why the prison machine. But I just want to say that everybody, that do you really think just because of a machine, it can be possible? We are the one who, whenever we have to share our emotion, what we think on that time, whom I have to share. We use the artificial intelligence just to share our emotion, but I want to ask a question that do you really think our emotion can lie in a machine? It may be a machine is going to love. A machine is going to show you an affection, but don't forget that it is a machine which is made by yourself, which is made by you. Just know your creativity, that what you are. You know, here I want to say that I am not saying that don't make a machine, but I want to say that what's going on in our society, that we are making machine, but by that which we are giving the harm to our society.
Miss Mubashira, it's time for forensic.
Well, it's a time where we have to prove ourselves that if we are maintenance machine. So don't forget that you are also damaging our environment, where the trees are most important thing in your journey. I have a voice of the trees that क्यों काट रहे हो हमें, क्यों काट रहे हो हमें, हमारे आज तुम काट रहे हो हमें, कल तुम्हारा ठिकाना होगा, कल तुम्हारा ठिकाना होगा. And this is in the voice of trees, where you are cutting the trees, where you are cutting the plant, where you are cutting the grass, where you are cutting all the natural beauty. But don't forget the best thing which plays in this world, and that is the nature. Here, we say very proudly said that really, I'm from one of those regions where it calls an alpha. The two being the part of an alpha, do you really think that to harm your environment, it's going to be perfect for you? Because I don't believe on this. To being a human, there is a need of humanity. The humanity is the most important thing in you. You know what? I cannot say to anybody that don't do that work, because I don't have right to say anybody. To live in a democratic country, I cannot say to anybody that do that work, because I don't have right. But somebody I can suggest to you that don't cut the trees, make the machine, but without harming an environment. Because if you are harming the environment, don't forget that you are the one who make a sustainable development, which means to protect your environment. Without damaging the environment, you have to protect your environment.
Thank you
And
so much, Ms. Mubashira. Now I request the jury member, please put up the question to Ms. Mubashira.
Mubashira,
Yes, sir.
the question of mine is that how has the rise of machine impacted human labor and labor opportunities?
Well, that's a great question. Thank you very much, sir. That today we can see that humans are most important. But with that, we are getting more importance to an machine. Where we are just giving to get rid of your labor, and we give the time to a labor. We just give the time to Robert to prove yourself that yes, you are the best one. This is a time, and that is why I just want to say that no, don't be that, where you have to show yourself that really you are the one. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Ms. Mubashira.